guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Amaka of SKYBELLE Beauty. If you're a returning subscriber, you're most welcome. Today is a client transformation video and I have the beautiful beautiful Bella on my seat. Her name is Isabella. I started off by cleaning her face with micellar water and I primed her face with my Beauty UK primer. Don't worry, all the products used will be listed in the description box down below, so do check it out. And I'm just concealing her dark spots from acne using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, the yellow corrector, and I blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. For her foundation, I use the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 340 Cappuccino, and I'm buffing that in and blending it in with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. And I go over that with a beauty blender just to push it into the skin and give a more flawless finish. To highlight her face, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I'll place that on the places where we normally highlight. And I'm just blending that out with my damp beauty sponge. This is the Nuban Beauty blending sponge. It's really soft when you make it damp. And to set the highlights, I'm using my Colourpop setting powder in the shade Banana. Very little, just to set the concealer in place. To contour her face, I'm using my Black Opal Stick Foundation in the shade Carob with the same foundation brush, and I'm just doing a very light contour on her face. And I'm using the same foundation for her nose and blending it out with a damp beauty sponge. I'm just setting the contour using my Sleek Face Form contour shade, the dark shade in the palette. And I'm using a fan brush to set the contour around her face. For her brows, I go straight ahead to outline the brows with concealer. This helps with giving the desired shape, especially for people with very little hairs, natural hairs. Now I'm just setting the concealer, the P.Louise base, with a synthetic brush. And here you see me, this is the Colourpop brow gel in the shade Brunette. I'm outlining the brows first before I fill it in with my Davis brow pencil. And I'm just brushing through the products with my spoolie, and I'll repeat the same step on the other brow. For her transition color, I took the shade Culture from my Perception palette and I'm blending that in her crease. Next, I took this muddy brown shade from my Morphe 3502 palette and I'm focusing that color on the outer V area. And then I took an even darker brown with an angle brush and I'm creating the V shape on the outer eye area. And now I'm blending everything out. Straight to cutting the crease using my P.Louise base in Room 5. I'm just diffusing the outer edge of that concealer. And then for the lid, I'm using a matte peachy pink shade. I'm mixing two shades together from my Morphe 35B palette. Unfortunately, guys, I lost the clip where I applied a little bit of glitter on her lids, but nothing crazy, nothing special. I just put a glitter glue and applied a pink peachy glitter on her lid, and that's it. All the products I use in the lips will be in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.